So we're quickly approaching the Unpacked event, and slowly the final details about the new foldables, especially the Galaxy Z Fold 5, are making rounds on the internet, including a real-life look at the Crease. We also have details about the pre-order and release dates, as well as what freebies you'll get with one of the Galaxy devices Samsung is launching at the Unpacked event. And finally, we also have an update on the price. Starting with the Crease, a Redditor has posted real-life images of the Z Fold 5 from all angles, including the inner display showing the Crease. As you already know, I can't show you the images here, but I'll put a link to a video in the description or at the end screen where you can see them. As usual, if you don't want to go, it reveals that unlike previous rumors, there is an improvement here. True, you can still see the Crease, but it's surely less visible than before. Moving on to All-in-Quant, a reliable tipster mentions that the pre-order for the new devices will begin on the Unpacked day itself, and the release date will be on the 10th of August. And he mentions that if you pre-order the new Tab S9, you'll get a free ultra slim keyboard cover. Of course, it may not remain the same in every country. He didn't reveal what the freebies are for the new foldables, but rest assured we'll know about that in the next few days. Speaking of freebies, Samsung is already offering you $50 in credit of the new foldables just for registering your interest in pre-ordering. No card details are required and you have no obligation to follow through and buy. You'll then be eligible to redeem the credit when you pre-order any of the new foldables, watch or tablets. The link to the offer is in the description. Next, about the price. We have the prices of the Z Fold 5 and Flip 5 for one key market, which shows the devices will have a higher price tag. As you can see, these prices are for France and they represent a jump of roughly €100. The Fold 4 started at $17.99 while the Flip 4 was $11.09 in the country at launch. So nearly a €100 jump. Like I've said a few days ago, the prices might jump in almost all markets except the United States, and that's by judging what they did with the prices of the S23 lineup. And finally, we have an update on the iPhone 15 lineup that Apple fans surely won't like. You see, a few days ago we heard that Apple is increasing the battery capacities of all the iPhone 15 variants by a significant margin. It was reported that iPhone 15 Ultra and the 15 Plus will have almost a 5000 mAh battery, a huge jump from last year. Well, turns out it may not be true. The source, which is a Foxconn worker from Weibo, has said not to take his information too seriously, which doesn't outright refute what he said earlier, but it surely indicates that it was all a baseless rumor. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.